Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can connect or how you can install WordPress for Hostinger. Quite easy and straightforward, so let me show you how. First of all, log in of course to your Hostinger account. Then you need to just go to websites. On websites, you need to press add a website and then select WordPress here. Once you do so, we just need to wait for a couple of seconds. Create your WordPress admin mail and password. Press next. Then select either or create a website with AEA or pre-built websites and themes. I like to use always this one. Then you can select the theme if you want to. Then also you can install recommended plugins, and then you can add a domain. If you have domain, it will be in the drop-down menu. If you don't, then you need to go back and buy it, but later you can connect it. So I will use my temporary domain. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here, installing WordPress, and you should have a WordPress on your site here. And that's pretty much it. You just installed a WordPress on your Hostinger domain or website. And then you can build a website and do a bunch of different things. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.